Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's time for another unboxing video. Real quick, I'm going to roll the intro. All right, well, today I have a package from Trotter Handcrafts, and I'm excited about this one. Let me go ahead and get my knife out. Gotta make sure I find the top here. This is something that I need to sharpen my knife. This is something that I had requested a while ago, and I know that you know, let's see here, some puff tape. So he works a full-time job, and he does brushes on the weekends. And so if there's something that you want or that you're looking for, it might take him a little while to get to. And so I just was patiently waiting. And there's going to be a couple things in this actual box, but this is the item that I'm really looking forward to. Ooh, look at that. It's a wooden handled Trotter's Handcraft brush with the Manchurian T1 knot. And wow, that thing is beautiful. I forget what kind of wood that is. I'm thinking maybe it's on this. It's the KOA wood. I don't know how you pronounce that exactly, but and I had bought a long time ago a blank handle from him, which I don't think he does that anymore. But anyway, I had planned on using a different knot, and I decided not to, and so I requested to get a knot from him so I can put it in the brush, which this is something that probably is not available to most people, but this is what the knot looks like, and that will go beautifully in that brush. And along with it, he included some Renaissance wax and a little scooper, because there's no finish like acrylic or enamel on it, so this is all natural wood, and you just have to keep that on it to preserve it. Now, that's probably something that will not come with yours if you happen to get a wooden brush, because there's different ways that you can maintain those, and that's just kind of what he suggested. And I said, I don't have any of that, and he's like, I'll just send you a little extra with yours. And so, man, I cannot wait to break this brush in and get it ready for a shave. And speaking of Trotter Handcraft brushes, if you haven't seen my video on why I like Trotter Handcraft brushes, I'll try to put either a picture here, but I will definitely put a link in the description below to that video, and you can watch it. And thank you very much, Paul. I appreciate it. And I don't even think whenever I asked him to make this for me, I didn't tell him what kind of handle, and he knows that I like this type of handle. And as you can see here, I have multiple ones, and usually I put on the top here the ones that is drying, and then I put it back in there, and my shelf is full. So I need to figure out what I'm going to do, or how I'm going to place additional brushes. And you guys know that in this hobby, you can say you're either going to be a utilitarian, where you're trying to get the bare minimal shave, and then there's, on the far other extreme side, is the collectors. And so you just collect everything possible that you enjoy, and it may even be things that you don't use. And so a lot of people think that they're going to get into saving money and just getting a bare minimal shave, and then they fall into the deep end. And I don't know what they're talking about. But anyway, I I'm saving money, guys. All right, well, thanks for sticking with me. It's a short video. If you have a favorite brush, comment below and let me know what is your favorite brush, and I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your week.